Hi guys, welcome to Sri Sai Shorthand Coaching Center. If you observe this notification, Press Council of India is inviting applications from eligible Indian citizens for the post of stenographers grade D, and it is under the unreserved category. The candidate must have passed 12th standard or equivalent from the recognized board or university. If anybody is willing to apply this post, they should send their application to the following address: the Secretary, Press Council, Sochna Bhavan, CGO Complex, Lodi Road, New Delhi, by 7th December 2020. If anybody is willing to know more details about this notification, they may visit the website of presscouncil.nic.in. In this website link, there is clear details with regard to this notification. And also, one more notification is for you guys. This is the tariff authority for major ports. Is also inviting an application for the post of stenographer grade D purely on deputation basis. If any application is not received from any central or state government or autonomous body or public sector undertaking, then they will consider the application of the private candidates, which must be on contract basis through the contractor. If you go through the details, the post of stenographer grade D will be filled on deputation basis on usual terms and conditions applicable in such cases. If you clearly observe this, if no application is received from the government servant, the post will be filled on contract basis through contractor. The period of deputation will be initially for a period of 3 years, which may be extended depending on the requirement of the authority. If anybody is interested and willing to apply this post, they should send their application to the Administrative Officer, Tariff Authority for Major Ports, 4th floor, Bandar Bhavan, Mumbai, within 30 days from the date of publication of this advertisement in the employment news. And this notification is issued on 21st November 2020. If interested candidates should send their application on or before 21st of December. And one more notification is also there. Guys, Vallabhai Patel Chest Institute is inviting applications for the post of stenographers, and the total number of posts available are 10. Out of them, 4 are unreserved and the remaining for reserved categories, and the age limit as on last date of submission of application is 27 years. If anybody is willing to apply this post, they should send their application to the following address: the Joint Registrar, VP Chest Institute, University of Delhi North Campus. The last date for issue of application form and submission thereof duly completed within 30 days from the date of advertisement in the employment news. If you go through this notification, this news was published on 14th November. So you should send it on or before 14th December.